Selling naked pictures of yourself on the internet. This one's an absolute F tier. Didn't make any money, but you did make family dinners incredibly uncomfortable. Drop shipping, this one's gonna be C tier. The margins are nowhere near as good as you think, plus you're selling a crappy product from China. Day trading, this one's D tier. It's really hard and you're probably gonna lose a lot of money. Launch point, aka UGC. This one's 1,000,000% S tier. This is when regular people like myself get paid by companies, and all you have to do is record 30-second IG reels or TikToks. So if you're not a chud, comment launch and I'll send you the link.